Now, as the campaign to improve nutritious diets through increased consumption of safe vegetables continues, the Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition, GAIN, had a field monitoring visit to the vegetables for all project sites in Riruta. The GAIN Kenya country director urged the government of Kenya and the county governments to support initiatives geared towards improving access and consumption of healthier diets for a healthy and productive nation.
Exciting to be here today because the Netherlands government is supporting the Food 50 program with partner GAIN, and you know, it's always nice to see a program on the ground rather than from behind a desk from a report or a document. So seeing the program in action is exciting for us. What excites me particularly is that actually what we're talking about is talking to consumers. You can see they're activated in a very attractive way. They're really enthusiastic people who come to see what can be done with vegetables in terms of turning them into healthy meals, attractive meals, compared to other food they might produce.
This would go towards improving healthier diets in the country. So definitely it makes a case to improve on the budgetary allocation towards nutrition and nutritional activities in the country, so that also it has an effect on workforce. How many Mondays that people do not report to work, taking care of a sick child, taking care of a sick elderly person because of malnutrition, or people who are obese.
And now, Public Health Principal Mary Muthoni, Principal Secretary, has called